So when you're too sure that you have managed to get everything's nice with your drawing, then you can start now putting up the whole, and you can tell how easy it is because you're just holding up the line. So you need to put some sketches or shadows, I don't know how you call it. And then you put some lines on these parts of the belt and some small ones over here, crossing all over around. Okay, once that is done, then you just need to work out on this part here. You need to put some more shadows on it, and we can continue with this one here. So once you're done with this, how to call it, these shadows, this focus line, then you need to put some sketches, which I will show you later on. But right now, since we kind of like running out of time, then we just need to do this basic thing. Other part to work on it later on. And don't forget to delete all your lines, the one you're not using for. As I did with mine. So your drawing can actually, I'm just trying to reduce the size of this leg here. I feel like it's a little bit too much. Yeah. Yeah, that is more nice, guys. That is more nice. And here I can proudly remove this line because I've managed to put the proper line where it belongs. And later on, obviously, you need to put some sketches all over here. Okay.